All right, so you decided you want to buy a home. This is how you start. The first thing you do is contact a local trusted lender and get pre approved. And that lender is going to go through certain things. And very simply, it's your names, socials, birth dates, job information for the last 2 years, where you've lived, and how much money you've got in the bank. They'll have a few other questions, but it's all things you're going to know off the top of your head. And then you're going to provide them with the documentation to back it up. Once you're done with this, your lender is going to be ready to have you sit down and do a one on one consultation to review all your goals and all your dreams. Now you've been pre approved and you're set and ready to go for your loan consultation. What does that look like? Well, you've given us the goals and the parameters that you want for your cash to close, when you're going to move, and what you want your monthly payment to be. And we put together estimates to begin with to review all those things. So we've looked at all the options and put them together, and we sit down and go through what it's like to buy a home, what the process is like, and what to do next. And then we go through each estimate and every fee so you understand what a title policy, a survey, an appraisal, and all those other things are going to be so you know what to expect along the way. After this consultation is all done, you're ready to go to start shopping for a home. Now you're out there looking for homes with your trusted real estate agent, and this is what you want to expect. When you're ready to make an offer on a home, your agent's going to go look at all the comparables in the neighborhood to make sure that your offer is along with what your home is going to be worth. And then you're going to put together your offer based on the parameters that you came up with on your initial loan consultation. So if you need the seller to pay some closing costs, or you absolutely need the purchase price to be below a certain amount, they're going to make your offer based on what is needed to get you approved for that house. Upon accepting the contract, you're going to have to deposit earnest money and option fee with the title company. Those monies will go sit at the title company and be secured against your home and then applied to your down payment at the end. So it's not additional money that you've got to put down, but it puts it in a place where it's safe and then applied to your down payment later. The next step is going to be your inspection and the appraisal, but you're well on your way right now. What is a home inspection? Well, it's a person that goes out and reviews all the systems in the home. Your agent will have great referrals for you, and that person will go out and pick apart that house from stem to stern. At that point, you'll go back to the sellers and possibly renegotiate based on what the findings are in that inspection. That's all done during your option period. And when that option period is expired, your appraisal will be ordered. The appraisal is ordered by the lender, and it tells them that the price that you and the seller agreed on are worthy of the loan that you're going to get. So we're making sure if you agreed on $300,000 that they're going to sell the home for $300,000. We're going to finance it. Once that appraisal is done, which take about a week, the lender's going to send you a copy for your records, and then we're on to final underwriting. Now you're in the final stages. The inspection and appraisal are done, and your lender's ready to submit for final approval. So they've taken your initial approval and asked for a few more documents to solidify everything with the underwriter. And then once that's done, they'll issue your initial closing disclosure. This is the step where you get your approximate cash to close dialed in almost to the penny, and then they'll solidify it. And when they send your final loan docs and give you a final CD that tells you exactly what you're going to pay based off your original estimates. So you're at the closing table, everything's ready to go. You sign your documents, the lender funds the loan, and boom, there you are, a homeowner.